Buongiorno a tutti, good morning everybody. My name is Paolo Romano. I am the Italian chef at Marriott Merlin Beach. Today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti arrabbiata. Let's start. First step, it's to boil the water. So actually I did it already. And now I'm going to put 2 pinches of salt. Then I'm going to add the spaghetti. Next step, we need to make the sauce. So first, olive oil, then garlic and fresh red or can be also green chili. So when the oil is gonna be very hot, I'm gonna add the garlic as a first. Meanwhile, we're gonna mix a little bit of spaghetti or else they're gonna get sticky. Usually, Italian style, it's a 7-minute cooking. But if you prefer, let's say, more cook, around 10 minutes. Just gonna add the garlic, the chili. Now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. Usually one portion is 2 lid. Then, to don't make it dry, little bit water from the pasta. After I add the pasta and the sauce, I'm gonna add 2 liters of water, some fresh olive oil, and now the most important part is toasting the pasta. And now is the moment to add some fresh parsley. Now the pasta won't get that bitterness because we put eggs as a last. And the pasta is ready.